Let's discuss the problem number 4 of test 2. The topic is fluid dynamics. Basically, the velocity of the flow is given, and we are supposed to find out whether the flow is rotational or compressible. Okay, so the flow is irrotational, then the curl of the velocity vector is 0. So in order to put this in mathematics form, we have this del cross V as 0, where del is the operator. So this is the cross product, so let's write down that in a determinate form, and where this is my Vx, Vy, Vz, which are the components. Vx, Vy, Vz are the components of velocity in x, y, z rectangular Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so basically the cross product is nothing but the det. So let's check whether this becomes 0 or not. So I, and then now we have to just multiply these two. So it will be dou by dou y of Vz minus dou by dou z of Vy minus j, because that's how you expand this determinant. Dou by dou x of Vz minus dou by dou z of Vx plus k. Remember, I, j, k are the unit vectors. So for k I need to take these two. So dou by dou x of Vy minus dou by dou y of Vx. So now let's substitute so Vx is x, Vy is y, and Vz is minus z. So let's substitute this and check whether this is 0 or not. So I of dou by dou y of Vz is basically 0, dou by dou z of Vy, which is y, is 0, and if you see dou by dou x of Vz is minus j, so because x, y, z are all independent, so these are all zeros. You can see that makes 0. So basically the curl is 0, and therefore the flow is irrotational. Now let's check about the incompressible. So if the flow is incompressible, basically the divergence of the velocity vector is 0. So this is nothing but the dot product. Remember, this was the cross product, and this is the dot product. So dot product can be easily found out by I by dou x, j by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into the velocity vectors, which are nothing but xi plus yj minus zk is equal to 0. Let's check this whether it is 0 or not. So the dot product means you have to just multiply the corresponding I components, j components and z components, and so it will be dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou y of y minus dou by dou z of, so it will be 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is 1 and not equal to 0. So flow is compressible. It's not incompressible, it's compressible. So the option is, let's see what is the option. The option is D. Thanks.